In this walkthrough, I will show you how payment and deposit modes work in VettyDrive. The important principle is that VettyDrive does not hold renter funds and does not take a rental commission. When online payment is used, it routes through the operator's Stripe setup. In the rental form, choose the payment collection mode. Online before pickup is for partner-owned Stripe checkout. At pickup means the operator collects when the renter arrives. Outside VettyDrive means payment is handled elsewhere and VettyDrive records the workflow. Set the rental amount and deposit expectation clearly. Deposit readiness tells the renter what must be authorized or confirmed before key release. On the renter workflow, the payment and deposit sections explain whether online checkout is available, whether the operator collects directly, or whether Stripe setup is still pending. Staff should always check payment and deposit status before releasing keys. The dashboard should make it clear what is complete and what still blocks pickup. That is the clean payment model: operator-owned money flow, no VettyDrive commission, and clear readiness tracking.